Okay, in this research project, you only have to create one slide. You can make 2 slides if you'd like. The idea is to not have a monster slide. My slide right now looks like a monster slide. Way too much information, way too hard to read. This is not user-friendly at all. If I put this up on the board, everyone would kind of turn away, right? So you want something that's going to grab the audience's attention. Okay? So it's fine to have your question at the top. My image does relate to the propaganda, so my image would be fine. Okay? It's showing the Jews devouring the entire world. So part of their propaganda was to show that the Jews wanted to take everything over, so that's why we had to get rid of them. So here, first thing I can do to help make this slide better is, okay, so propaganda. Maybe I would like to give you guys a little more information about that. I can go ahead and present all of this information on propaganda to you, but on my slide, I might just have biased information. Okay? I might just have that on my slide. I also would spend time making this look a lot nicer, maybe changing the font color, the background color, making sure that it pops out, it looks neat. My next point says the Nazis were skilled propagandists who used sophisticated advertising techniques and the most current technology of the time to spread their messages. Okay? So I don't need all of that information. I maybe just will put that Nazis were skilled. So, and then I would explain that to you once I'm up here presenting. I also probably would make all of these, my font a lot larger so that you can see when I go to present it. Okay. Maybe this one I would say Adolf Hitler created a ministry of public enlightenment and propaganda to shape German public opinion and behavior. Tried to influence every thought with propaganda. Okay. So again, I'm going to summarize what I'm going to put. I do not want to have a monster slide. When I come up to present, though, I should be able to explain this. Okay, so I would have an index card with all the information I wanted to present, but my slide would have minimal information. Okay, so maybe I'll just put here inflicted hatred. Maybe these are the main points that I want to focus on. Maybe there's more. But again, I'm going to make it large. I'm not going to put tons of information on here. I'm going to be able to share it and present to you, but on the actual slide, we'll have minimal information, just highlighted bullet points. Okay, and again, it would look a lot prettier than this, a lot more organized than what I have here. Okay, so that's kind of where you would start with it, and then you would spend some time making it look neater, making things pop out. Maybe I would change the color here. This color font to black. Maybe I would bold it, make it bigger. I might even change the font of this one for biased information. I think this font might be too hard to read once I present it, so maybe I'll change it to something more clear. Okay, so just different things to play around with just to make your slide look neat and appealing, because that's part of the grade as well. Any questions, please ask.